Hey guys, welcome to the top 3 models for May-June 2018. And number 1 is the VR Ready PBR toilet, and this is for Unity version 5.5 and above, and it's a PBR related toilet, which you can see this view in Sketchfab, and it's quite a fairly accurate, nice looking PBR model, and it's ready for VR. And it's a destructible sort of toilet, and it has got several LODs with 2 LOD levels, one at 5,000 polygons and one at 2,000 polygons. Both are destructible and ready to use with built-in physics. And the package includes a demo scene, HDRI environment and the post-processing. Number 2 is something called a realistic flag pack. It's a 3D model which includes just a model with the flag pug and the flag, and it's unwrapped, so you can change the model as appropriate, and you can check out the YouTube for making changes to this actual asset itself, and you'll be able to easily change the texture. And this one's a really nice one. Number 3 is the Rubble and Debris modular set, which is a free sample, and it's a pile from the full Rubble and Debris set, and it contains very realistic looking and next generation-esque models. It's complete with several LOD levels, the light map UVs to fit the project, so it includes 1 rubble pile, 2K PBR textures, 4K in the full version if you choose to do it with 4 LOD levels, and it looks like it's a very high, maybe a photogrammetry style asset. The next asset is something called Carpenter's tools, and this is a set of free just set of carpentry tools, which includes axes, drawing knives, drills, sort of bit parts, files, chisels, saws and others, and it includes diffuse, normal and specular maps, all ranging between 500 and 2000 triangles per tool. And the next one is called the rock package, and it includes 6 high quality large rocks, each with an LOD for the prefab, which can be applied directly to your game, and it includes 2000 by 2000 diffuse and normal maps. And the next one is the Stylized revolver, and this is quite a cool looking, it's a PBR stylized sort of prop, ready for your project. It includes no animations or rigging, but you can use it in your package, and it includes a model which is around 3000 triangles. It includes 3 texture maps of 2K, and you can visit the forum thread if you want to find out more. And this next one is something called Free Drone, and it includes a patrol style drone with 4K PBR textures. It includes a free sort of moving camera, and the additional skins and drone controller unlocked in the full version, which can include a desert, space, disco skin, and you can have a look at the full version there. But it's a drone with a basic set of animations which you could use for a type of game, or maybe a sort of game mechanic where you look over some enemies or something like that, which is seen in some modern games recently. And the next one is the low poly dungeon assets, and this is all models suitable for, as you can see in the image below, a low poly style dungeon. And it includes 1 floor tile with 4 planks, items for the wall with 4 wall sections and 2 pillars, and it comes with a selection of props which include swords, chests, benches, crates, barrels, light sticks, holders, coffins, tables, vases, small potions, big potions, bowls, and a whole host of stuff, and it all is on 1 texture of, weirdly, 379 by 379 as a PNG. And the next one is the PBR Japanese school desk and chairs, and it's a PBR related asset which includes albino, metallic, smoothness and normal, and the desk is around 3000 triangles with a resolution for the textures around 2K, and the chairs 1500 triangles with a resolution of 2000 by 1000, and these are quite nice looking chairs if you're looking to fit out a school scene or something like that. And last but not least is the RPG character Lite, and this is the light version of an asset which you can get a feel for the package, and it includes a character with 5K vertices, 1 material, 3 textures in diffuse, normal and specular. It includes a bunch of animations for idle, walk, run, and some for combat, along with some emotes which can get you started on a RPG character, and you can take a look at the full version if you want to get a more fully kitted out version of this character. So these were all the free models for May-June 2018, so be sure to thank all the developers for creating these awesome assets for free, and thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.